Hello there, welcome to the classification of plants. Let's start. Plants are multicellular organisms which make their own food. There is an estimated more than 350,000 kinds of plants, but we have classified them as non-flowering plants, which are further divided into three types: mosses, ferns, and conifers. The other major group of plants is flowering plants, which have two subgroups: monocotyledonous plants or dicotyledonous plants, shortly called as monocots and dicots. Mosses are the simplest plants, having no true roots, leaves, and stems. They love to live in the damp places, and being non-flowering plants, definitely they don't produce seeds. So instead of seeds, they produce spores and reproduce with the help of that. Being the very simple plants, they have no transport system for transport of water, food, or oxygen and carbon dioxide. So these processes take place by diffusion. Next, we have ferns. They are comparatively bigger plants than mosses. Their reproduction mode is same by making spores, and they do possess a transport system in their bodies. Conifers are somewhat higher plants. They have properly developed transport system, and their leaves are very thin, needle-like. They do produce seeds, but their seeds are present inside the cones which you are seeing on your screen. Second group of plants is flowering plants. These are the most advanced and complex group. The plants in this group have true roots, true stem, and true leaves. They do produce flowers, fruits, and seeds. Their two major groups are monocots and dicots. Let's see about their difference. The seed of a monocot having only one cotyledon, but in the same picture when you see the dicot seed, it is having two cotyledons. An example of these plants are wheat plants being the monocot and a chickpea plant being the dicot. The roots of a monocot plant are fibrous roots having different branches and rebranches, but a dicot plant has taproot having different branches originating from the single central one. When it comes to the arrangement of petals in the flower, a monocot flower has petals in the number of 3 or the multiple of 3, and a dicot flower has the petals 4 or 5, or the multiples of 4 and 5. All leaves have a network of veins visible to the naked eye. Monocot leaf has narrow and parallel veins, but a dicot leaf has a net-like, or you can see webbed veins. Stems have a transport system called the vascular bundles in the form of xylem and phloem. The transverse section of the stem of a monocot plant shows that their vascular bundles are scattered in it, but a dicot stem has xylem and phloem arranged in the form of a ring. This was all about the classification of the plants. I hope it was informative for you. Thank you.